What's up, guys? AK Crazy Russian with you. Today, I put for beginners top camera. Bam! But it's not really for beginners. It's maybe for advanced models. I'm not kidding. Sometimes I saw the guys doing like 20 years in the hobby, you know, maybe get some different approach. Anyway, so first of all, nothing wrong with McHenry couplers, for sure. If you have, if you have like 20 cars, I won't probably go. Yeah, 20 cars, it will be okay. But like 50, 60 to 100 cars on a train show layout or club layout, I will go with a Kadee. All right, so we don't need really my face here. If you have questions, I will answer all at the end of the show. This will be very quick because it's not really big deal. But some my tips for guys, meaning beginners, they just coming to the hobby. That's my point. So right now, season, bunch of train shows. Those guys coming to the show saw some like hundreds of different cars, whatever they like, impulse buying, they buying them, and they are with all whatever horn couplers mostly, and the problem begin right there. Let's go. So here, let's just get rid of the face. We don't need it because just not interrupting. To do the job, so this is $50. It's not like from the cheap Atheron old blue boxes. No, it's like nice Genesis $50 car. But that's just an example. What I'm going to do, and talking about couplers real quick. I already did one side here on my previous stream on my Russian channel for Russian speaking. Okay, and that's what I got here, and this is original McHenry. Now if we put them together, and this is, guys, again, it's not it's your layout, you do whatever you want to do. Okay, me personally, I'm putting scale coupler on the engine mostly. Okay, so this is number 5 whisker coupler. Okay, Kadee, medium shank, right? And it's centered. It's not like up or shifted, right? It's totally centered, totally cool. Because this is mostly like a standard for the coupler's height and stuff. And I prefer not Kadee tool for the height. I prefer real car, which is high detail, most expensive cars usually. They like 100%. So this is McHenry scale coupler. Let me put them together like this. If I can, oops, it's okay. Let's do it like that so you can see the difference. And if you take Kadee scale coupler head, it will be identical to it, maybe just looking differently. Yeah, so the size of the hook, it's more the size of the hook, and geometry of it, it's more secure to me. Okay, that's the reason mostly people changing them. But again, for 10-15 cars, I'm cool. McHenry will do job. Also, they little bit the size, if you can see, yeah, if you can see, the proportion of it, probably 15 to 20% they smaller. So if you have like critical size, and on your not on your layout, like club layout, different modules, different length, different everything, they easily can be uncoupled. All right, and that's what I want to say. Buying bulk saves you money always. If you prefer bigger size of this, less money you're spending up front a lot, but less money you're spending at the end. If you like springs rather than, and again, it's personal preferences. They're a little bit tougher, right? They more need more energy, right, to move. But again, it's personal preferences. Those are with the standard Kadee million years old technology. Springs works perfectly too. Okay, let's put this on the side. We need this guy, and also again, oh, forget to mention, every time almost every video I have a comment about my those protection things. This is because of $50 car, and it's a customer car I'm doing for the customer. I want to leave any marks from minerals from when your palm's sweating. They not, but just I don't want to surprises. This is not an optional thing. If forget what's the name, like a holder. Not just that. I'll probably without that film I probably won't use it. This is like newer type of film. It's kind of nice, but you can put just regular from the transparent clear small baggie, you know, because all these small pieces here and stuff can be easily catch with those small pores of the material. Okay, so again, means yeah, you can put it up like that, not big deal, but I'm a little bit concerned to put any pressure, which is I'm going to unscrew that thing. So let's do it. It's just me, guys. Again, your layout, your railroad stuff, you do whatever you're comfortable to do. Okay, I'm doing this is comfortable for me. Okay, so tools, tweezers like this, any tweezers, small end, like very small. Bigger one won't work. Means one will work, but you need like a little bit gentle. Since it's made in China, I don't know what standards they're using. Supposed to be maybe next size of this screwdriver, Phillips. Supposed to be, but it's not doing anything. It's just like rotating, and I don't wanna put any pressure. So I'm using that Wiha, and they are different standards as well. I'm just getting bigger number. This is what 60. This is Wiha 2, just make for marking, but that's it. See, it's pretty much decent size. Now those wheels are very unique. The trucks and wheels with the bearings. You need to be very careful with this. Keep the small. That's for beginners. Keep the small parts in transparent and mark it if you stop working. If you need to do something else or whatever, you're going to dinner, stop, or you're going next day to work. Mark it, put some notes, because if you have like a couple of them, will be tough. So those bearings, like moving here, the tops, and actually rotating it slowly. You probably can see them rotating. Yeah, that's just nice geniuses. That's what geniuses did. See the detail on the trucks, everything's cool. Means of course metal wheels. And it's all good. We put it here. Okay, that's my coupler. And then, yeah, size of this screw is also enormous, but just be careful. It's better have magnetized it. See, it's only like the thread 2.5, you know, threads, and that's it. And I believe they're not using machinery. We'll just keep it as is right here. And I don't think so at the factory they're not using machinery, those tools or whatever tools. They're using it manually, because no way, there is so less friction. To first it need position properly and like very carefully to screw. And I believe they're still using like just manually screwing them down. Then be careful with this lever, right? Maybe see if it's not glue or something, just like should be easy to, or maybe sometimes glue around and it can be an issue. Maybe. We'll see. Just my magnifying glass here. Oh yeah, glue came somehow from probably putting this small point here. Also, that hose, you just need to be very careful, guys. Yes, it's definitely glue got into it. I'm not gonna take it out at all. I just make sure it's not holding anything, and I'm slowly removing McHenry. You can weather McHenry. I did a lot. They good. The only one thing, I'm changing a little bit angle here. I'm bending it. Start bending it here. Sorry if you're not seeing. Yeah. Start bending it around here, and it brings me like half millimeter up. Because sometimes they bending easily. They bending down easily, like this, because of plastic, which is, with the small amount of cars, I'm repeating myself, it's not big deal. Taking your Kadee, now make sure, and you're testing it, just holding the plate, make sure it's moving. You want a little bit more like friction, you will put Kadee with a spring. Okay, so we're good. The whisker, both whiskers free. Now I'm starting rotating the opposite side, and hear like a click. Oh, that means now I can go opposite direction, holding a little bit, that's it. The hole inside has which is holding that screw, has a crack already. That's just technology what they're using. It's not a big deal. Me, again, I will probably put microcrystal clear, not on the screw, on those sides holding that plate. So something, because of vibration and whatever, this can unscrew. Or I can put a little bit, not CA, but like plastic glue, like that, on actual screw. Okay, because it's made of steel, microcrystal clear start corrosion reaction. That's it. So we're taking back our same procedure. Oh yeah, took the CMI is magnetized. Screwdriver I can demagnetize, whatever. Usually it's magnetized pretty good. Same thing, like going back and starting screwing down, down. Not sure if they're using also like electrical or compressed air or whatever thing tool, because you need to adjust it so differently between those two, or maybe they have multiple, just my guess. Two tools, Kadee couplers, done deal. Look around. Probably next time I'll show you something else, guys. See, that has a little bit movement, which is fine. Just make sure it's a standard for that expensive, mostly modern cars manufacturers. Yes, it's no problem. But if we're talking about old stuff, you know, 20, 30 years old, it can be anything. That's the reason Kadee, they have so many different couplers, different adjustments, and stuff like this. All right. I guess I don't think so. It will be any questions, guys. So we're just wrapping up right now. Thanks for watching. Thank you for supporting business and channel. I'll see you soon on DCCTRAIN LLC live channel for long broadcast installations. Have a good one. Bye bye.